This is ACT skill number 33. And before we get started on this, the objective within this skill is to review how to do, and different teachers use different terms. Some teachers use the term arrangements. Others used to teach it using tree diagrams, or you may have heard of the counting principle. Now the counting principle, that term is a little deceptive because when you think counting, you think adding, but actually with the counting principle, you're going to see that we multiply. So it says here that Arthur Dent buys an ice cream sundae that contains a scoop of ice cream, one sauce, and either a cherry or a pineapple wedge on top. He can choose chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, or banana ice cream. So how many choices does he have for ice cream? Okay, write it down. That's your first option. He can choose chocolate, caramel, or berry sauce. He has 3 sauces to choose from. And he can choose either a cherry or a pineapple wedge on top. 2 options. How many different arrangements of these ingredients for Arthur's ice cream sundae are possible? So the counting method says, okay, how many options do we have? Well, we have 4 options for the first, 3 options for the second choice, 2 options for the third. We could do a tree diagram and count everything at the bottom, or we could do 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, and done. Flip to the back, please. For a fundraiser, the Meditation Club is selling t-shirts with 2 slogans, see clearly or non-attachment. Each shirt is available in a small, medium, or large. How many different types of shirts are available? Well, what's the first option that they give you? 2 slogans. So my first one is between 2 slogans. Now each of the shirt has how many options for sizes? 2 times 3 is 6. Done. Number 2. 5 actors are being cast in to fill 5 roles. If each actor plays only 1 role, how many different arrangements of actors in the 5 roles are possible? Please write down 5 lines. So this is going to be role number 1. How many different options do I have for this role? There's 5 different actors that can play it. Now one of those actors gets chosen. So I'm going to say here, you're 5 people. Maybe visualizing this will make it easier. So you have 5 options for the first role. Now one of those actors is chosen. For the second role, how many options do we have? 4 options. And one of those actors is chosen. Third option is, and you guys catch on, now we have 2 and 1. The counting principle says once you have this, just like we've done previously, we multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. Times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120, times 1 is 120. Number 3. At the Build Your Own Burrito Bar, you can choose beef, chicken, or shrimp. You can include no vegetable, spinach, or sauteed zucchini. And you can top it with mild, medium hot, or killer salsa. How many different burritos can be ordered? All right, with your partner, you have 15 seconds to get the answer. Please don't say it out loud, just whispering to your partner. Go. Ten seconds remaining. So for your choice of chicken, beef, or shrimp, you have 3 options. Then the vegetable, spinach, or sauteed zucchini, you have 3 options as well. And then for your topping, you have 4 options, multiplying to get 36. How many have that answer? Okay, this one actually throws students off. You're like, I'm catching on, I'm getting this, and then you get to this one and it kind of throws you off. Okay, are you ready? With your partner, you have 15 seconds, go. So Kyle will choose one of these 5 symbols to place in this position. He's only going to write 3 of these symbols. So how many options does he have for the first spot? How many options do you see? 5 options. Now he chooses one of those. For the second symbol, how many options does he have? Okay, I'm going to randomly choose one. For the third option, how many does he have? Okay, so 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 times 3 is 60. Now, a lot of students think you keep going 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This specifically says you're only going to use 3 of these symbols. Number 5. Number 5 is like number 4. Of the 6 members of a tennis team or tennis club, only 2 will compete in the doubles. So I have 6 people. These are going to be my people. There's person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, those are people. People right there. Okay. So doubles, 2 people. How many options do I have for this person? 6. So I choose this person. Now, how many options do I have for their partner? 5. So 6 times 5 is 30.